In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete empty space on Wix and remove those pesky gaps that can disrupt the flow of your website design. Whether you're a seasoned Wix user or a newcomer looking to polish up your site, this guide will help you create a cleaner and more professional appearance. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix website editor. That's where all the magic happens. To begin, you'll need to log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor section for the website you want to tweak. If you're not already familiar with the layout, don't worry. The interface is quite user-friendly. Once you've selected the site you wish to edit, we can start fine-tuning those visual details. Next, locate and click on the Tools option within the editor. The Tools menu is your gateway to a myriad of helpful features and utilities that Wix offers, allowing you to customize your site in various ways. By enabling the right tools, you can gain more control over the elements on your page, making it easier to remove unwanted gaps. After accessing the Tools menu, you'll see several options, one of which is the Toolbar checkbox. Click on this checkbox to activate the toolbar. Activating the toolbar equips you with additional editing capabilities, which are crucial for adjusting the spacing on your site. The toolbar serves as a contextual panel, providing you with precise control over the elements on your page. Now that the toolbar is activated, it's time to locate the size settings. Here, you can manipulate the dimensions of various elements on your website. This includes adjusting the height of any empty space that might be unnecessarily taking up room. The key is to focus on modifying the elements that are creating those undesirable gaps. By customizing the size parameters, you can neatly contract or expand sections to your liking. Once you've found the size setting, change the height to eliminate the excess space. This part is where your design instincts come into play. Aim to adjust the height so that the layout looks balanced and visually appealing. Be careful not to overlap elements, as that can create a cluttered look. Instead, aim for smooth transitions between each section of your website. Finally, type in the specific height you want for the section you're adjusting. Inputting a precise measurement ensures that the changes you wish to make are implemented exactly as you envision. This customization level allows you to refine your site layout down to the pixel, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to significantly reduce or completely remove unwanted empty spaces from your Wix website. A tidy layout not only elevates your site's professionalism, but also enhances the overall user experience. Don't forget to preview your changes and save them when you're satisfied. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.